Well, a bit of a sort of unexpected video, but all I can basically say is this is just because of something that's arisen, and I'm just wanting to, for the people who may watch this, which a couple of people do play Clash of Clans, which I do, and I couldn't help but notice him. I suggested loads of garbage like this, which I'm never going to watch. This, which is just hideous, because anything that's if it's Family Guy or Simpsons or whatever garbage you're going to watch, if you watch it on YouTube, they make it tiny and all high pitched and stuff, so there's no point. So basically, but I did notice this, and it's complete BS. So if you end up watching this, which I'm going to go ahead and mute because it's pissing me off. Well, I'll put it on quietly, but this here is cancer. So if this is what cancer looks like, okay? If you watch this and think it's going to work, you are dumb, okay? Now let's just assume for a brief moment that it does work, okay? Now I'm completely saying it doesn't, just to get that into your head, but let's just assume it does, okay? Even if it does, you would get banned immediately, right? Because if you look in Clash of Clans thing, they have a very strict, they've updated it on Clash of Clans and Clash Royale, very strict no cheating policy, because people used to use like X cheats and stuff, okay? So if you cheat, even if it worked, you would get banned instantly, okay? So, and that's just on the basis if it worked. So if it does work, you're going to get banned, and if it doesn't work, you wasted your time and you're providing money for these assholes. So either way, you're mugging yourself off. If you see something like this, and it's not just for this, it's for anything, that you put your username in and you do a survey or an app or something, and it happens to give you some, in-game stuff, it's BS. So this is garbage. Don't listen to it. Because look, I mean, there's 1,000 people watching this, 500 likes, whatever, and it just happened to suggest it to me because he'll have paid for the suggestion. Because you download 2 apps, they pay him like 10p every time somebody downloads that app. They pay him like 10p or something because they're getting revenue out of it. Okay, 1,000 people. That's 100 quid right there. And he says download 2 apps. That's like 200 quid. All right. 200 quid for doing nothing except making this tiny video, and he's got no subs or anything. So it don't mean it's taking advantage of idiots. Please don't do it. Right. Well, I think I've got that off my chest. It's not just this. It's anything. It's like FIFA. Like if you just Google, whoa, I want FIFA coins hack or something, and it'll come up. Look, generator. Whoa, guess what happens? You pop in your hideous things or whatever. Look, you put your thing in, connect, and look, I've never played FIFA in my life. No joke, okay? You can look on my Steam, okay? I don't even know if it's on Steam. I don't know if that's how it works, because like 6 Siege, it's like Ubisoft / Steam. But look, no FIFA. I don't play football games. I don't play any sport games. I don't like them, okay? So let's literally just input that. No joke, right? Connect. Coins. Oh, I want it's that many, and I want it's that many, and watch. Done. Well, it hasn't. And no joke, not a word of a lie. It'll come up. There. Proceed was completed successfully. So apparently there's somebody called that random gibberish I've put. The chance of that being true is a joke. Oh look, you can continue. Verify. Guess what you do when you verify? It's the same AIDS. Okay? It's complete BS. I've just proved it. So if you come across this and think it works, it's BS. Okay? It's just, please. Because there's loads of dumbasses that will believe all this trash, and I've disliked it and I don't really want to see it. I think I'll report it actually. You can't even report it. Great. So that's how cancerous YouTube is. You can't even report. There used to be like a report thing. I'll flag that for whatever it is. Spam or misleading. That'll do. Scam. It is a scam. There you go. I'll do that. That'll do. Hopefully get this cunt banned, you know. So yeah, word of warning, don't fall for anything. So if it's too good to be tricks, because it is, that's, you know, they're not gonna hack into EA, are they? Jesus.